Hello and welcome to the Layout Masterclass on working with images. To start, we're going to look at 3 ways to upload images. The first way, if you're using a template with an existing image, is to click the image, click Replace Image, and then browse your desktop to upload a new image. Second way is to click the Upload icon to upload an image directly into that design. And the third way is to do it via My Stuff. Upload image, and select your image. This will upload the image but won't bring it into the canvas. Once you uploaded images, you can click View All in My Stuff, and that'll show you all portrait and all landscape images. Next, let's look at some different ways you can add images to your design. The first way is to grab an image and drag it into an existing image. This will highlight blue. When you release, it'll replace the image. The second way is to click the image, click Replace Image, and then browse your existing images to replace the image. The third way is simply to click an image to add it to the artboard. Another way is to grab an image, drag it into the bleed area, release, and this will add it to the background. You can also add images to shapes. You click on Shapes, add an image to your artboard, and then you can grab an image and drag that into the shape. You can also browse our library of free images. Click on Photos. You can then search for whichever image you like. You can search by landscape, square, portrait. If you found an image, again you can click to add it, or you can drag it into an existing spot. Let's now take a good look at the image tools. If you click on an image, the toolbar appears. First tool is Format. In Format, you can change the size, the position, and the opacity of an image. Let's jump down to the third tool, which is Crop. If you click Crop, this allows you to change the shape and position of an image within a frame. You can do this within an existing image frame or also within shapes. Once you've cropped, if you're unhappy, you can also go back to the second and click Fit, and that'll fit the image back as best as possible to the frame. Next is Copy, which simply copies an image and creates a new one on the canvas. You can also do this on your keyboard with Command C and Command V. After this, we have Rotate, which simply allows you to rotate by a certain degree. Next up, we have Multiply. Multiply will add another image to the canvas. Add a square image. For example, we'll make it a little smaller, and we'll click Multiply. You can see that the frame is 33 by 33 mils. What we want to do is create 3 identical boxes. Do Repeat, do Horizontal, and we'll make this 35. Click Multiply, duplicate the image a number of times, and then you can go in and replace each image and get a nice even set of images. Next, we have Arrange. Again, we add another image to our canvas. We put it in front of this image. We can click Arrange, and we can send it to the back, and we can move it forward. This is great for layering items. Then we come to Align. Align allows you to align an image to the border or to the bleed. Bleed will extend all the way to the bleed edge. Border will extend to the border that you've set in your design. You can also align images together. If you add 2 new images to your artboard, if you hold Shift, click the first image, and then Shift and click the second image, this will group the items. Or you can drag your mouse over both items and then go to Align, and with Selection, click Align Vertically, and this will align the images together. You can do the same with a line to bleed and to border. Next up, we have extract. Extract is a great way to add to your colour palette. If you like a colour in an image, such as this orange Buddha, you can add the image to your canvas, and you can extract colours from that image. You can extract all colours selected, or you can extract just a few. In this instance, I'm going to add the orange to my colour palette. Once added, I go to my stuff. I can now see it's in my brand colours, and if I now go to a piece of text, for example, it is now available and I can change it to that colour. You can also manage colours by going into colours and then deleting from here. And last but not least, we have delete. Delete obviously deletes an object from the canvas. You can also do it with your keyboard. This brings us to the end of this masterclass on working with images in layout.